Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Saturday. It's a clear start to the day over the eastern parts of South Africa, and we're expecting a lovely warm afternoon in the Lowveld and Limpopo. A lot of cloud built up overnight in the Eastern Cape, resulting in showers and thunder showers, but this will clear towards the evening. Meanwhile, it's a clear start to the day in the Western Cape, but as a low pressure system moves east, we're expecting cloud to build up along the coastline with some light rain this afternoon and evening, and it's going to be a cold day on the western and southern high ground due to an onshore circulation behind the low. Here's our rain forecast for today, with a 40% chance of showers over much of the Eastern Cape, including the southeastern parts of the Northern Cape, but only this morning. There's a low risk of rain this afternoon along the southwestern and south coast, and this includes the Cape Peninsula. Taking a look at the daytime temperatures, it's a cold day in the west, especially on the high ground. 12 degrees in Sutherland, 14 in De Aar, Springbok reaching a maximum of only 13. 18 degrees likely in Uppington and Kimberley, mid-teens in the Free State for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, but it's going to be a beautiful warm afternoon in KZN with a high of 25 degrees in Richards Bay. Lower 20s along the Eastern Cape coastline and 17 degrees likely in Cape Town and George. Let's take a look at the wind forecast for today. Winds light onshore along the west coast with a southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters. It's full moon, so we're expecting spring tides, lower low tides than normal, and that's at 3 minutes past 9. A light northwesterly wind in Langebaan. In Cape Town, we're expecting wind speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, slightly stronger in Cape Agulhas. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters, and high tide is expected shortly before 3:30 this afternoon. It's going to become breezy along the south coast today as that coastal low passes. Wind speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour in Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth, with an open ocean swell of 1.5 meters. Offshore winds result in pleasant daytime temperatures, especially along the Wild Coast and the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It's a light southwesterly breeze forecast for Durban, with wind speeds up to 15 kilometers per hour and a southerly open ocean swell of 1.5 meters.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com